In this video, I'll show you how to share a Canva presentation to Mailchimp. Now, to share a Canva presentation, what you need to do is simply connect Canva to Mailchimp. And in order for you to do that, simply head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, head over to the very bottom and click on the last option, which is integrations. Now, on integrations, head over to the top, which is the search bar. And from here, just simply search for Canva. Once you search for Canva, you will automatically see it. So just simply click on Canva. That will take you to the Canva section. From here, head over to the left-hand side, click on the yellow button to connect. That will review your settings from Mailchimp. And at the bottom in the right corner, click on Continue. A pop-up will open. From there, what you need to do is simply add your Canva account or log into your Canva account. Once you do that, it will set up your connection. And once it's done, as you can see, it will automatically say that Canva is connected. Now, in order for you to share your presentation, as you can see, if we scroll down, if we create an email with our design, you will automatically see the presentation. At the top in the right corner, if we click on View All Designs, it will automatically take you to the Canva content. In here, it will show all of the designs that you have within Canva. And in here, you can view these images as well as use them as email templates. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.